Hey guys, today we're going to cover something simple and practical. Stick around and you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you the difference between Zorin OS and Elementary OS in 2025. Elementary OS prides itself on a sleek, minimalist interface called Pantheon. It looks elegant and runs smoothly, especially on older hardware. The App Center offers curated, privacy-friendly apps. On the downside, it's not very customizable, and the software catalog is limited. Zorin OS, on the other hand, is designed to feel familiar to Windows or macOS users, with flexible layouts and easy customization options. It supports more apps out of the box, fresh theming, and even utilities like Zorin Connect and educational versions with offline tools. The catch? More features means it needs a bit more system power, and its best designs are locked behind a paid tier. So if you want a beautiful, distraction-free Linux experience and don't mind simplicity, go with Elementary OS. But if you prefer flexibility, familiar layouts, and extra tools, Zorin OS may be better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.